여러분 안녕. Have you ever watched a Korean drama or listened to a K-pop song and thought, I can understand a few words, but most of it just flies over my head? Don't worry, you're not alone. Listening in Korean can feel challenging at first, but the good news, with the right strategies and consistent practice, your ear can catch Korean naturally. Today, we're going to focus on a Korean listening practice that actually works. Welcome to Learn Korean, where every lesson will help you read, speak, and think in Korean the way it's actually used. And if you want extra support while practicing listening, the Learn app gives you short everyday dialogues where you can hear the sentence, repeat it, and then test yourself with mini speaking and vocabulary exercises. Before we jump into the techniques, it's important to understand why listening is such a big deal in Korean. Korean pronunciation and sentence rhythm are unique. Even if you know vocabulary and grammar, your brain needs to get used to the sounds. That's the thing. Listening helps you to understand native speech in real-life situations and also help you learn natural intonation and sentence flow. It helps you to recognize grammar patterns without translating. For example, in the sentence, 오늘 날씨 어때요? How's the weather today? If you only read it, you might recognize the words. But if you listen to it repeatedly, your brain starts predicting patterns like a native speaker. Let's begin with simple daily sentences you can hear everywhere. 밥 먹었어요? Did you eat? 어디 가요? Where are you going? 지금 뭐 해요? What are you doing now? 커피 마실래요? Do you want to drink some coffee? Here's a quick tip. Repeat them aloud while listening. This builds both listening and speaking skills simultaneously. When you're listening to native speakers, you don't need to know every word. Focus on context. For example, in a K-drama line, 오늘 저녁에 뭐 먹을래? What do you want to eat today? Even if you don't know all the words, you can guess the meaning from 오늘, today, 저녁, evening, 먹을래, want to eat. This is how your brain starts thinking in Korean naturally. Shadowing. Listen to a sentence. Repeat it at the same time. Match the intonation and rhythm. For example, 듣기 연습해요. I practice listening. Slow to fast. Start slow. Listen carefully. Gradually increase speed until you understand naturally. Repetition. Listen 3 to 5 times per sentence. Focus on keywords and endings. Your ear will start catching patterns without effort. Mixed topics. Practice listening from different sources. Everyday conversations, short news video clips, K-dramas or podcasts. This variety trains your ear to handle different speeds, accents, and expressions. Let's look at some phrases you'll hear a lot in real conversations. 네, 알겠어요. Yes, I understand. 잠깐만요. Just a moment. 정말요? Really? 괜찮아요. It's okay. 조금만 기다려 주세요. Please wait a moment. Listen to them repeatedly and practice shadowing to internalize them. Let's try a short dialogue. 오늘 뭐 해요? What are you doing today? 친구 만나러 가요. I'm going to meet a friend. 어디서 만나요? Where are you meeting? 카페에서 만나요. At a cafe. Now listen carefully again. Try to repeat each line and predict the next sentence. Here's a simple routine for faster improvement. Number 1, 10 minutes daily listening. Start with short clips. Number 2, repeat sentences aloud. Shadowing. Number 3, write down new words you hear. Number 4, use the Learn app exercises to reinforce comprehension. Even just 10 minutes every day builds your ear naturally and consistently. Let's have a quick recap about what we learned. Listening is key to understanding native speech. Start with short, clear sentences. Use context to guess meaning. Shadow, repeat, and increase speed gradually, and listen daily from multiple sources. With consistent listening practice, Korean stops being a mystery and your speaking, reading, and comprehension improve at the same time. Now it's your turn. Start your daily listening practice with Learn. Repeat, shadow, and immerse yourself in real Korean conversations. Your ear will adapt faster than you think. 참 잘했어요. Great job. See you next time.